If I have to write a sentence or if I have to write a paragraph, I'll be writing it in different ways. Okay, I'll be writing the paragraph in different ways. But if I write it like this, which I'm going to show it to you right now, it's going to be very funny. All right, let's see. So here we go. Once upon a time, Aksha had a dog named Rocky. Rocky loved to jump and play. Rocky liked to peep through a hole in the door. Rocky barked at strangers. Rocky wagged his tail for some treat. Rocky could even roll over. Aksha liked Aksha's dog very much. Isn't it funny? Is it written in the right way? No, there are so many words that are repeated for no reason. Aksha is coming so many times. We know Aksha is talking, and why Aksha has to repeat her name over and over again? What about the word Rocky? Why is Rocky going on coming? So what are the words which you feel are not the right ones? So for example, once upon a time, Aksha had a dog named Rocky. Why do you have to write the word Aksha? Aksha is not required. Okay, because you know it's you are talking. Then Rocky, first named Rocky is fine. Rocky, this first Rocky is okay. After that, all the Rocky which is coming is not required. Next, Aksha liked Aksha's dog very much. Can we write like this? No, right? Okay, so that's again wrong. Aksha liked Aksha's. Aksha and that Aksha is going on, coming over and over again. So that also is not right. Okay, so that's a problem over there. So we have to remove these words away. All right, so how can we do this? Remove Aksha. Once upon a time, Aksha. Can we remove this Aksha? Instead of that, can I write I? Once upon a time, I had a dog. I'm talking about it. So I will write as I had a dog named Rocky. Okay. Rocky loved to jump and play. Rocky liked to peep through a hole in the door. Why am I writing it over and over again? I already wrote Rocky first. So I will remove that. It or he. Now remember, if for a dog, okay, for an animal, you can use the word it. But right now, I already know that Rocky is a boy, correct? For me, my Rocky, I know my Rocky boy is a male dog. So I can write use the word he. It or he loved to jump and play. Then he liked to peep through a hole in the door. He barked at strangers. He wagged his tail for some treat. Then Rocky could even roll over. He could even roll over. Aksha liked Aksha's dog. Can I remove those? Yeah, I can remove. I like my dog very much. Now, doesn't this make perfect sense? Yes, it's not funny at all. And so what did we learn about pronouns? Pronouns are the words we use to replace the nouns in order to avoid the repetition. So in order to avoid the thing going on repeating, the words are going on repeating over and over again, to avoid that, we use pronouns. What we use over there, it actually replaces the nouns. Nouns, you should know, nouns matlab, what is the meaning of nouns? Nouns means name of anything. Okay, right now in the previous paragraph, I used my name, right? My name and the dog's name, animal's name. I used that and I changed it. And I used a few words, and those words which I used, those are my pronouns. I use it instead of the nouns, like, right? The grammar that we're going to learn by forming groups. Okay, so something that you are going to find out, and then I'm going to tell you whether you are right or whether you are wrong, and then we'll try to understand what it is all about. Hold on, okay? I'm going to make breakout rooms, and I'm going to put everyone inside that. Okay, ready? Now you're going to be into breakout rooms, all right? Just if suppose it's asking you to accept, just accept and just get inside, okay? Start. Come on, go inside. Go into your rooms. Okay, babies, unmute yourself, talk, discuss among yourself, find a leader, okay? And that girl will present the sentences. All right, I'm leaving. I'll go to the next room, okay? Okay, you have to write down this list. You have to write down the sentence, all right? And you have to discuss among yourself and find out which could be the right answer. These are the sentences, okay? Quickly do it. Girls, listen to me very carefully. What you have to do is you have to discuss with your partners right now what could be the answers for these fill in the blanks. So here we are. Let's look at the screen very carefully. The answers are from the list itself. Look at the screen, what I'm going to show you right now. You have to take the words and put over here and find out which could be the answer. To me very carefully. Quickly take down these sentences, okay? All the leaders, be ready with your 3 sentences and the answers. Clear? Yes, Trisha. Group number 1, start. Which is the first one?
I wish we could go to school.
Okay, very good.
The second,
Yeah.
take him with you. He is scared to go alone. Third,
Okay.
she told me to sing with her today.
He told me to sing with her. Okay, fine. Someone else told me to sing with the other one. Okay, very good. No problem. All right, very good. Now, that's great. All right, group number 1, you'll have done a good job. All right. Now,
Thank you, teacher.
yeah, please mute yourself, all of you. Now, can you see what are the words you used? You used I, we, him, he, she, me, her. What are you pointing at? You're only pointing at either a person or an animal. And when you point at a person or when you're talking about a person or an animal, you know what we call it? We call it as personal pronouns, okay? Now, these are words that we use to refer to a person, animal or thing that we are talking about, okay? Understood? We are talking about a person, then we use which words? I, me, we, us, you, he. Talking about this person, he. I'm talking about this person. No, I'm talking to you, him. I'm talking about him. Clear? Remember the first funny paragraph that I wrote? Huh? In that, what did I use? I used these personal pronouns, right? I was talking about me, so I used the words I, me, my. Clear? Then what did I use when I had to talk about the animal, the dog? I used the words it. But since I know that it's a boy, the doggy was a male, that's why I used the word he. Understood? Clear? So this is the first group. Very good. I hope you understood personal pronouns. All right. So the next group. Where's my next group? Who's the leader in the next group?
This notebook has my name on it is mine.
This notebook has my name. It is mine. Very good.
Mine.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next.
You make this picture. It is hers.
Very good. Okay.
The children are playing with Jack's toys. The toys are not there.
Yes, very good. So see, girls, over here is your answers. See again. This notebook has my name on it. Now, what did she the group number 2 say? It is mine. Okay. This notebook has my name on it, so it is mine. You made this picture. It is yours. Okay, see, there should be some connection. Even if you had written hers, it's all right. But the word hers, the word should show possession. Now listen to me very carefully. जो पहला देखा हम लोग ने personal pronouns. This is, look over here. What is this? Possessive pronoun. Let's understand. Just hold on. The children are playing with Jack's toys. The toys are not theirs. Unka nahi hai. Unka. Look at this. Tera. ये क्या है? मेरा. Now, tera, mera. All these things show what? Tera, mera. It shows possession. For example, now look at this. Can you see this card? Okay. Now this car, if I'm talking about this car, अगर मैं ये कार के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो मैं possessive use करेगा, saying this car मेरा है is mine. But when I'm talking about me, I will say what? This is me. You understood? When I'm talking about a person, एक आदमी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तभी हम personal pronouns use करेंगे. Remember. Now, can you see the spelling of the word personal here? I'm just going to tell you a new thing. Okay. Person plus animal, animal ka last. Person plus animal is equal to personal. Just keep this in your mind. Person plus animal means person या animal के बारे में if you are talking, we will use personal pronouns. इसमें is it anything talking about any object here? अब talking about anything else? किसका है के बारे में बोल रहे हैं क्या? नहीं, इसके बारे में. But possessive में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We are talking about किसका है. So that's why it says pronouns that show possession are called as possessive pronouns. Mine, मेरा, ours, हमारा, yours, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारे हैं, ये सब तुम्हारे हैं. किसके हैं? Possessive will always say किसके हैं. His, उसका, hers, वो लड़की का, theirs, उनका, its, उसका. Clear? Alright, this is what is possessive pronouns all about. Okay, very good. Group number 3 now. Yes, who's in charge of group number 3?
First one, this is a table here and that is a table there. Second
Okay.
one, these are my notebook, those are yours. Third one,
What did you
this
say? This
has
or though, these dash are my notebooks. What did you use?
these.
Very good. These are my notebooks. Very good. Continue. Yeah.
Third one, this has a lid but those does not. Thank you, ma'am.
No. Those will not come, baby. Okay. This has a lid, but that does not. Okay. All right. So here are the answers, girls. Listen, look at this very carefully. This is a table here. Very good. And that is a table there. Means यहाँ का table ये वाला है. वो वाला table है. ठीक है? ना यहाँ का table. This is this table and that is the table there. These are my books. ये मेरे notebooks है. Those, वो सब notebooks तेरे हैं. Those. Then when will these and those comes? When there is a plural. This is singular में this. And plural में क्या आएगा? These. Those आएगा when you have to talk about plural of those. वो वाले, वो सब. ठीक है? Then this has a lid. This, ये वाला के पास lid है. But this, ये वाला के पास lid है पर ये वाला के पास नहीं है. या फिर what you can say, this has a lid and that does not. Now remember, translate into Hindi, my dear girls. एक बार हिंदी में if you translate, no, you will perfectly get the right words to use. Understood? Please translate into Hindi. It's not a crime to use Hindi, okay? It's always good to use Hindi because that's the language that we understand. Clear? So try to translate it in that way and understand it. Clear? Now, what the third group told was actually about demonstrative pronouns. They spoke about demonstrative pronouns. Now, what are demonstrative pronouns? These are the pronouns that point out. It points out to particular things. These pronouns are used to point out at a certain category, thing, statement, etc. So, this, point out, ye. वहाँ है, दूर है, it is far away, you will say that, वो वाला, that one. ये सामने है, you will say बहुत सारे हैं, you will say ये सब, these. And वहाँ बहुत सारे हैं, you will say those. These 4 are the only ones. Now, I'm so sure some of you will have a tuck doubt. अरे ये हमने कहीं और भी सीखा था. I think 4th standard में adjective सीखने के टाइम पे ये देखा था. ओ मैम ने बोला सिर्फ ये 4 है, अभी वापस ये 4 आ रहे हैं. Don't worry. There is a trick behind it, but I'll teach you that tomorrow. When I teach you adjective, I'll teach you the difference between pronouns and adjective. कैसे find out करने का? How to figure out whether this is a pronoun or this is an adjective. Clear? Don't worry at all. But keep this in mind. that we have to use this as demonstrative. Demonstrative मतलब दिखाता है, demonstrate करता है, दिखाता है. Clear? Keep this in your mind. All right. So very good. Group number 3. So let's go to the fourth group. Who's in charge of the group number 4? Yes.
Miss, I am the leader of group number 4.
Yes. Come on, baby. Start.
Miss, the first one's answer is, where are you going?
Very good. Where are you going? Okay.
Miss, second answer is, whom are you living with?
Very good. Very good. I thought it would be tricky, but you all got the answer. Very good. Next.
Thank you, Miss. Miss, third one is, what is the name of your school?
Absolutely right, my dear girls. This is the correct answers that you've got. Where? Now again, see, this is what you've learned. Where? Kaha? It's asking questions. Girls, please mute yourself. Okay. Where? Who? What? Okay. So we see over here that we are learning about interrogative pronouns. Group 3 had interrogative. Interrogative हम लोग ने पहले भी सीखा था कहाँ? Kinds of sentence में, remember? हाँ? Remember? Interrogative means question पूछने का. What? क्या? Whom? What? कैसा? कहाँ? कहाँ से? कैसा हुआ? So those are all interrogative questions. Understood? So these are the ones that you need to keep in mind. And kinds of sentence mein also they were asking questions only. Correct? Okay? So these are the questions. So remember the words which were used to ask questions. Those are your interrogative pronouns. Clear? Let's go to the next one. Okay. Now, yes.
Yes, Miss, I am the leader of it.
Yes, baby. Can you start? Yeah. Begin.
Yes, Miss. I have to do this work by myself.
Very good. Okay, myself.
Raj looked at himself in the mirror.
Very good. Okay.
The girls took care of themselves at the camp.
Very good. Okay. So there the answers all are correct. Okay. I have to do this work myself. Clear? Raj looked at himself in the mirror. The girls took care of themselves. इसमें क्या आ रहा है? एक fellow, एक हमेशा blast में एक चीज continuously is coming. What is the word? Self. Selves. Self. Now what is the meaning of this? This is a reflex back. Say reflex back. How is it? It goes and comes back. Now this is called your reflexive pronouns, which means now it uses, now these pronouns contain the word self or selves when it is in plural form. Okay, they are used with other pronouns like my. Can you see my? My is a pronoun. हाँ, उसमें क्या जोड़ दिया? Self जोड़ दिया. जिधर भी आपने self देख लिया, so you should know it is a reflexive pronoun. किधर भी, wherever you see self is there, and then if suppose it's plural, then it will become selves. Clear? See, my, myself, your, yourself, him, himself, her, herself, it, itself, our, ourselves, your, yourselves, them, themselves. Understood? So girls, remember this. Why am I giving you this list? List मतलब इतना ही आएगा pronouns में. Only these words will be used. Just keep these words in your mind. It will be so easy for you to understand anything after that. Clear? Reflex matlab come back. See, keep these pictures in your mind so you'll understand. Me, myself, them, themselves. Understood? It's a return back at them. So it's a reflex. Okay, remember that. So reflexive pronouns we saw. Let's go to the next one now. All right, where are my girls? Group number 6. Yes.
The man who wore red cap was the thief.
The thief. Next.
The home which we saw yesterday. Yes, miss. Which?
Very good. Correct. Next.
Those are the dress that my grandmother brought for me.
Very good. Bought. Very good. Those are the dresses that my grandmother. Let's see the answers. Correct. Very good. Group number 6. You also got all the answers correct. Now, can you see over here? Hello, ma'am. रुको. अभी तो आपने बोला वो who क्या है? Who interrogative है बोला आपने. अभी वापस कैसा ये अभी relative हो सकता है? हाँ. Now these words which you have used, can you see? वो एक relation में आता है. ये हु का काम क्या है? ये वो जो आदमी है ना, ये आदमी उसके बारे में ज्यादा बता रहा है, एक कनेक्शन बना रहा है. इट इज मेकिंग अ कनेक्शन, राइट? इट इज इन रिलेशन विद समथिंग. सो द मैन हु, जिसने वो कैप पहना ना, वो thief है. So that who आ रहा है ना, that who is actually your pronoun. Clear? Okay. Next, the houses which, जो हमने देखा था, were old. Okay, the houses which. So that's where we see the houses which or that is it. This is not a question, remember. Which houses? ऐसे पूछ रहा है क्या? So this is not a question. ये question नहीं है. It is बता, एक relation में use किया है इसको. It is, the word is the same, but it's used in a relation. Next, those are the dresses. वो वाले dresses है जो मेरे grandmother ने मुझे खरीदा था. Those dress that my grandmother bought for me. Okay, those were the dresses जो मेरे grandmother ने मेरे लिए लाया. And that is why we call them as relative pronouns. What is a relative pronoun? A relative pronoun refers to a noun which comes before it in the same sentence. Okay, वो noun के पहले आता है in the same sentence. They are usually used to give more information, telling more about the noun or clarify which noun we are talking about. So there is always, it will be in connection. The comb, that I used to comb my hair. Ball that I used to play with. तो समझा? That, वो वाला words will come. Okay. So that's where you have relative, relation में आता है. Next, group number 7. Yes, my dears.
Miss, I am.
Yes, baby. Start.
Has anybody seen my bottle?
Okay, very good. Anybody?
Somebody went on stage. I like my friends.
Okay.
I like my friends. Everybody are nice to me.
Okay, very good. You could use those, but the second one, there will be a little change. Okay. Now, for example, the first one. Has anybody, both are the same. So that's correct. Very good. Has anybody seen my bottle? Has anyone seen my bottle? Okay. Next is, everything went well. Okay. You can use the word everything. Everything went well. So now next, I like my friends. All of them are nice. Can you see इसमें एक इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? हाँ? No. Has anyone? कोई तो दुनिया में कोई तो मेरा बॉटल को देखा है क्या? किसी ने भी, किधर भी किसी ने भी देखा है क्या? Next, everything, सब कुछ. Everything, somebody, कोई तो. It's not talking about one person. Okay. I like my friends. All of them are nice. सब लोग अच्छे हैं. एक friend के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? No. That's why it's called indefinite. Definite, इसका opposite क्या है? The indefinite का. Definite means ये, वो. Like for example, personal. तूने. Okay. मैंने, हमने, ये किया, तूने किया, ऐसे किया, वैसे किया. Right? That is personal, definite, बता रहा है. But ये indefinite, पता नहीं, कोई तो, कहीं तो, कभी तो, कैसा तो. Okay? सब कुछ, एक या कुछ भी नहीं. Few, थोड़े, no definition, कुछ भी बता रहा है किसी के बारे में. We have no idea कौन क्या. Alright, so see, we use indefinite pronouns to refer to persons or things in a general way and not to specify one person or thing. एक के बारे में हम नहीं बता रहे, सब लोग के बारे में, सब लोग, everyone. So what are the words in the list? Something, कुछ तो, everything, सब कुछ, some, थोड़े, anybody, कोई भी, everybody, सब लोग, somebody, कोई तो. Okay, one, ये वाला, this one. कौन सा one? We have no idea, but this one. Alright. None, कोई नहीं. Few, little. Okay, सब लोग, all. Do you see that? Okay, so those are indefinite. So right now, very good. All my 7 groups, you all have done a great job. Let's try to have a perfect idea of what we have learned today. All right. So I want you to
Yes.
understand the word dipper. Dipper matlab, dipper, if you keep in your mind, you'll understand all the pronouns that we have. D for demonstrative. हाँ, demonstrative मतलब finger दिखाता है, point out. Interrogative question पूछता है, क्या क्या क्या, what, why, when. Definite कुछ तो, somebody, something, कुछ तो. Next, P. पहला वाला P, personal. Me, you, animal. I told you personal मतलब person plus animal, personal.
Bus.
एक पर्सन के बारे में बता रहे, एनिमल के बारे में बता रहे, तो पर्सनल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, पोजेसिव. मेरा, हमारा, तुम्हारा, हम सबका, theirs. That is what possessive pronouns. All right. So that's your PP. Okay. Next, R. Reflexive. What is this? Reflects back. Okay. Reflex is what? Myself, yourself, themselves, okay, itself, okay, it is a self. जिधर भी self आया, flex आएगा, flex, reflex. Clear? Next, last one is relative pronoun. Okay, there's a relation, दोनों के बीच में संबंध है. वो जिसने आता है ना, that is your relative. वो है, वो ही आदमी है जिसका नाम प्रीतम है, जिसका, that is relative. Understood? So these are the words. These are not questions. They are used in a sentence but in relation. So the relative. So we have demonstrative. Keep in your mind. Come on. Interrogative. Question. Indefinite. कुछ तो. Personal. Person plus animal. Possessive. मेरा, तेरा. Alright. Next. Then we have reflexive. Hit back, myself, yourself. And finally, we have relative. In relation it comes. All right. So I hope you've understood with this dipper. Let's try to understand the last one. Okay. Now, look carefully over here at the screen. I want you to write in the chat box right now. Let's start. Why can't you find yours? I want you to think of all the words that you've used till now. Okay. Now, what are the words we used? Why? Which is the next? You and yours. Okay. Now listen to me. Why? कौन सा pronoun है why? Interrogative. Why is interrogative. You, person, personal. Okay. Yours, तुम्हारा, possessive. You, person, you, personal. Okay. तू. Tera will become possessive. Understood? Okay, the next one. Let's go to the next sentence. All right. You yourself are responsible for this. You. Remember the word you. Very good. Personal. Very good. Yourself. Huh? Reflex. Are responsible for this. Ye. This also. Now come on, let's give the names of these pronouns. You will be what? Very good. Now you all were confused with the first one, but right now you are really doing it very good. You, it's with personal. Very good. Absolutely right. I've taken short forms. Okay. Personal. Very good. Yourself is reflex. Very good. Absolutely right. Yourself is reflex. Okay. Are responsible for this. What is this? Come on. Now this demonstrative. Very good. Absolutely right. That's demonstrative. Okay. You're pointing at it. Demonstrate मतलब दिखाते ऐसा. Demonstrate दिखाओ. Let's go to the next sentence. This is the flower that bloomed by itself. Okay. So what are the words? Very good. This is the flower that. जो वो वाला है, जो, that. Okay. Bloomed by itself. Very good. Itself also will come as your pronoun. Now, which is the first one? This कौन सा pronoun है? Very good. Demonstrative. This is demonstrative. But ये वाला that कौन सा आएगा? That bloom नहीं बोल रहे. We are using this that in connection. This is the flower जो bloom हुआ. We are not saying this is the flower, वो वाला bloom. No. We are saying this is ये वो वाला flower है जिसने bloom किया. So this वाला ये जो that है ना, that will be actually what? Relative. It is in relation. Okay. So it will be a relative pronoun. Very good. And then itself. Itself kaun sa aayega? Reflex. Very good. Absolutely right. All right. So it will be reflex. Okay. So I lost mine. Give me yours. I lost mine. Okay. Very good. I. Very good. Mine. Very good. Me. And yours. Very good. These are your pronouns. Very good. Absolutely right, girls. Okay. So what is the first one? This I've taken purposely so that you understand the relation between personal and possessive. Huh? Personal, person and animal. Person and animal, I, person hai. So, personal. Very good. Mine, mera, mera. It is not personal. What is it? Mera, mera. Mine, mera, mera, possessive. Very good. Mera becomes possessive. हाँ, give me. Me किसके बारे में? पर्सन है या एनिमल है? पर्सन. सो मी इज पर्सन. योर्स, तेरा, तेरा, तेरा. तेरा becomes what? तेरा. Yours becomes again possessive. Very good. Very good. Understood? See the difference between person and possessive. Okay. Very good. Very good, my dear girls. Next. Everybody needs somebody to talk to. All right. Come on. Let's see over here. We all know everybody, somebody. Okay, that's enough. That's two are there. Okay. Now, which is everybody and everybody? Which is the pronoun? Which is the pronoun? Kuch to. Everybody, sab log. Somebody, kuch to, kuch to, kuch to, kuch to. What is kuch to, kuch to? Indefinite. Very good. Everybody is also indefinite and somebody also is indefinite. Very good, my dear kids. You've perfectly understood very well. All right. Very good. I'm so happy that you've understood. All right. The same thing I'm going to ask you in your test right now. I'm going to send the link to you. All right. And you have to click on that. Now, so very good. Thank you, girls, for joining in. I hope you understood pronouns. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless you.